this entire course is simple yet powerful. You're using AI video making to influence people through entertainment, while also engaging them psychologically to build trust and inspire meaningful action. It's one of the best ways to add real value to people's lives by educating, inspiring, and entertaining them all at once. And in doing so, you'll discover a deep sense of purpose as a creator and storyteller. To begin, you'll first install ChatGPT. I recommend getting the ChatGPT Plus plan for smoother performance, but it's not required to get started. If you don't already have it, click the link below this video to set it up. Our custom GPT will be your creative engine. It writes high-retention scripts designed for engagement, conversions, and virality. Think of it like this. You'll design the car, but this GPT builds the engine that makes it perform at its peak. After you click Start, it will give you some options. The first question is going to be if you're creating a cinematic short film story. This course is all about creating short, powerful films with AI, the kind that don't just entertain but influence. These are the same kinds of films I make. Short, cinematic stories that hook people emotionally and end with a clear call to action. Maybe it's to follow your page, join your community, or simply find out what happens next. Even if your film is part of a series, always end with a call to action, something that keeps people connected and curious. From there, ChatGPT becomes your creative partner. If you already have a theme or genre in mind, tell it. And if you're not sure yet, just ask ChatGPT to choose one for you. That's what it's built for. Our custom GPT is designed to identify your ideal audience, your target demographic, based on your story, product, or service. It can scan the web, analyze behavior patterns, and figure out who's most likely to engage, trust, and take action. Then, ChatGPT will write your script, a 5-part structure designed for maximum retention and conversion. Once you've got your draft, read it, play with it, and give feedback. Push it. Tell GPT to go funnier, darker, more emotional, or more over the top. Add descriptive words and ask it for rerolls. You'll start to see the story come alive. When you've got a few versions, paste them into a Google Doc and refine each section. Copy and paste specific lines back into ChatGPT and ask for alternatives in the tone of your favorite comedian, writer, or director. You can even ask it to use the slang or lingo your audience speaks, even if it's not how you talk. That's how you build trust and connection. Every script is crafted to fit that sweet 60-second range, built on decades of film storytelling and the proven psychology of retention and dopamine-driven engagement. So don't worry. This system is engineered to hold attention, build emotion, and move people to action. Whether it's to follow, share, or join your journey, it works. And remember, the heart of every story is your hook and visible goal.
Let's talk about the most important thing of the video, the hook. The hook has to be shared in the video within the first 3 seconds, and it is extremely important.
If I don't make this movie in 10 days, I'm done, broke. My career dies with it. 30 years in this circus, and the joke wasn't on me, it was me. Turns out talent doesn't...
Something to grab the attention or some pain points and something enticing or shocking. Example, if I don't make money in 3 months, I will go bankrupt. Let's talk about the visible goal. Visible is an actual goal that gives the viewer a reason to stay to the end of the video. This has to be spoken by your character as the voiceover or needs to be set on screen. There are 3 parts of the visible goal. Actual goal, making a movie. It should not be like sad feelings or happy moments. Those are the themes. It should be an action-packed thing that can be shown on the screen. Make sure you mention it and make it visible to the viewers, the goal visible on the screen too. The second thing of a visible goal is a ticking clock. Example, make this movie in 3 months, or 7 days, or 10 days. Third thing about a visible goal is high stakes involved, like death, bankruptcy, or my wife is gonna leave me. It's like losing something that the main character wants to avoid. In the ideal scenario, you need to think of something extreme, the more attention it would grab. For example, I will go bankrupt if I don't make this video in 10 days. So that would be an example. This custom GPT gonna build this for you. It's going to come up with a strong visible goal, but you feel free to work with it and make it even stronger or tell it to make it stronger if you don't have ideas for it. So go through each section, modify your lines, modify your ideas, and you're going to find that working with custom GPT is going to spark your imagination. It's going to help you work within a framework and an engine that actually works in storytelling. And know that you're going to be in good hands when you have this blueprint and build your audio and visuals. This is what gets people watching your video, keeps them glued to it, and pays off emotionally. Let's talk about value discovery. The value discovery will add value to the viewer by educating them, or it may just be hurdles, more challenges for your main character, or more dopamine hits for the viewer. And then the story moves into an all is lost moment, which is rock bottom for the main character, or a rock bottom for the service or for the story. This happens right before the climax, and this creates that last push. Well, that's learned from the journey into the main character going into the climax. Climax is going to be injecting the product or the mechanism that your main character learns from, solves their visible goal, whether it's resolved or it's not resolved, and then the lesson that's learned from it. Call to action, or CTA. At that point, you direct your viewer into a win situation that inspires them, reaches a level that's been passed, creates a resolution, which then leads to the call to action at the end. This needs to be called out if it's for a product, or if it's paid, you need to let the viewer know how much it is and what to do, what action to take. For example, for my ads, it's just going to be to join the $5 AI Creator Academy community. Lately, I've been making short films to entertain, and then my call to action is, do you want to learn how to make this video making? Come join the community. After refining